Magandang dilag, puso ko'y umabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Mawawakan mo lahat, sila napapatingin. Di mawari, ba't ganun ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakabaliw. Ano ba ang ginawa ko at pinaaaliw? Naanaw na para bang isang tala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko'y umabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Oh.
No, 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 no.
Pull me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Pull me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
Okay! Kakantahan ko namin ang birthday song, okay? Okay, girl! Hawakan mo tong cake. Ay, ako maghahawak? Dito kayo. Dito kayo. Okay, ako na lang. Okay. Ano natin yan? Okay, dito ka, ha? Kakantahan kita ng birthday song, okay? Kaya may pakanan nito. Tama na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Wait lang ate. Dito yung letter. Carry mo ba? Pakto ka ha? Ipapasok ko na ate. Hawakan mo lang. Ako bahala. Ayun na siguro. Ikuya guard. Papasok ko na. Okay. Basahin mo ang letter para kay ate. Okay. Good.
Happy birthday, grasya ng buhay ko noon at ngayon. Ako nga pala si Natoy, ang nagpaibig sa'yo at nagbabalik para ibigin kang muli. Seryoso na, I miss you. LDR, mahirap diba? Lalo na kung may misunderstanding tayo. Naging weak, pero sana maging lesson sa atin yun. Tiwala lang. Oo, alam ko, easy lang ako noon. Walang ibang sabihin kundi ayaw ko na. Nag-focus lang ako sa trabaho, masa dito, masa doon, hanggang sa na-realize ko na parang may kulang. Kaya andito ka na ako na umaasa na mabuo muli ang Belson. 9 years. Okay lang ba sa'yo na pagpatuloy natin ang ating simulan? Papatunayan na may forever. Ingat ka palagi. I always love you.
Ayun! So, ano ang masasabi sa nagbigay ng sorpresa? Ano ang sagot?
Thank you so much. Ayun. Ingat ka lagi.
Oh,
God bless natin.
okay. Sino nagbigay? Si? Kayo na. Sa kanila na lang po yun. For privacy.
Ay, wow.
Okay, thank you. In behalf of Edmonton's Flower Shop and Party Mix, thank you, sir. Kung sino man yun, alam na ni ate. Ayan. At syempre, thank you rin sa kanyang kaibigan na si Giselle. Ayun si Giselle. Ipakita mo si Giselle, ayun. At syempre, Ma'am Giselle, thank you. Happy 30th birthday sa inyo. At syempre, kayo na po ang bahala kung ano man po ang inyong kasagutan.
Ay, wow.
Sa kanya, okay? Kasi nabasa ko ng letter, di ba?
Mas kinilig sa ate.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what to do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eye. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Pull me close.